Ever dreamt of starting your own e-commerce business but felt overwhelmed by the process? You're not alone. In this video, we'll break down the 5 essential steps to launch your e-commerce store and share insider tips to get you started. First, let's define what an e-commerce business is. It's a company that buys and sells goods or services online. E-commerce businesses can range from small, one-person operations to large global companies. They operate through websites, apps, social media, or online marketplaces. From home-based side hustles to the biggest brands, e-commerce lets entrepreneurs reach customers worldwide at minimal cost. Step 1. Find product opportunities and choose what to sell. This is often the most challenging part. Discover strategies to find products with lucrative business opportunities and explore the best places to get product ideas. Once you have an idea, validate it to ensure it will sell. Use guides to help validate your product ideas and potential markets. After landing on a solid product idea, figure out how to obtain your products. There are various methods, each with its pros and cons. Shifting your in-person business online can help you generate cash flow. Learn how to move your brick-and-mortar business online. Step 2. Research your competition and write a business plan. Know what you're up against and how to differentiate your brand. Conduct a competitive analysis and use templates to find your competitive edge. With your research complete, it's time to write a business plan. This is your roadmap for bringing your ideas to life. A business plan helps with prioritization and highlights your company's mission statement. Step 3. Choose a logo and name, and set up your online store. Building your brand is crucial. Pick a memorable name, design a logo, and choose an available domain. Understand the basics of search engine optimization to ensure your website appears in Google search results. Build your online store with captivating product pages, beautiful photography, and a pleasing color palette. Choose the right mix of sales channels to reach new customers where they already shop. Step 4. Choose a shipping strategy and set marketing goals. Prepare for shipping and fulfillment. Define your key performance indicators upfront to track measures of success once you launch. Step 5. Launch your business. Focus on marketing your products and driving targeted traffic. Use proven strategies to boost website traffic and make your first e-commerce sale fast. Invest in marketing your store with email campaigns, social media strategies, and paid ads. Experiment with different marketing tactics to understand where your audience hangs out and best responds to your content. Invest in outreach and link building to boost your SEO rankings in Google. Starting an e-commerce business can cost as little as $100, but expect business costs to be up to $40,000 in the first year. Many entrepreneurs use personal savings, financial support from friends and family, or personal loans to fund their business. Building your own successful e-commerce business is as exciting as it is challenging. Enjoy the journey. Million-dollar ideas start here. Learn how to build an online business from the ground up with Shopify's new free course. Ready to turn your dream into reality? Start your e-commerce journey today and watch your business grow.